This video will show you how to make a cube to sphere transformation animation in Blender. Please watch to the very end. When you open Blender, press Tab and go to the Edit mode. Right-click and select Subdivide. Come down to this Settings panel and increase the number of cuts to 10. Now press Tab to go back to the Object mode. Go to the Object Data Properties. Under Shape Keys, click on this plus icon to add a basis. Click on it again and add the first key. Now press Tab and go to the Edit mode. Make sure all is selected and go to Mesh, then Transform and select to Sphere. Now you can move your mouse as the spherical shape makes itself. You just have to click to make it stop. But just in case it hasn't made the shape you want, you can come to this setting panel and increase factor to 1. Now press Tab to go back to the Object mode. You can already see that you still have a cube, which means that our Shape key is successfully assigned. So if you come here to Shape Keys under Value, you can just click and hold your click, so as you move the mouse, the value will increase, and this will also make the shape change to a sphere. Hit that like button if you love what I've given you so far. Now reduce the value to 0 so that we can add keyframes. Make sure you are on the first frame. Come to Value and click on this dot. Now you can see from the timeline that the first keyframe is added. Come to around frame 100. Increase the value to 1 and click on this dot again to assign a keyframe. You can now play it to see the results. Now the cube smoothly transforms into a sphere. You can now switch to the Render viewport, add materials to the object and render. Thanks for watching this tutorial up to now. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss out on our latest content. Also, let us know what you want us to teach you about Blender in the comments. I promise we'll make a video. Have fun animating. I sign out.